top 3 places that bed bugs are likely to hide: your bed, your furniture, and cracks and crevices of other things. Bed bugs love to hide. They only come out to feed, so they are masters of hiding. Now, these are not the only hiding places, but these are like the top 3. They do hide other places. And I have 3 ebooks. You purchase all 3 or you purchase one. A 3-step process, 5 proven products that I recommend. And it may be more than 3 ebooks, but it's a 3-step process, a 5-step process, the 5 products of my choice, and how to clean. How to clean your clothes, how to clean your furniture, how to overall keep your home bed bug free. So that's what I came back for. And in the comments, put what you think may be another place that bed bugs are likely to hide outside of the 3 that I just listed or just named. I'll see you on the next one.